Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Yahoo Mail. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Yahoo Mail password. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device and go to yahoo.com. Here, tap Sign In. Once you get to the Sign In page, you must enter your username, email, or mobile number. I will be using the email address. When done, tap Next. To reset your password, tap Forgot Password. And tap Yes, send me a code. You will receive a verification code on your phone. So, enter the code and tap Verify. You can now create a new password. And tap Continue. Finally, tap Continue to confirm. And that's how you reset Yahoo Mail password. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.